Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over our new big brake kit adapter for the E90, E92 M3. Almost every BMW nowadays, or every new car, comes with fancy 6-piston Brembos, except for this turn. So we picked a few of the most popular options you can get, and made it a simple adapter bracket so that you can run them on your E92 M3. To start, we have the gold Brembo 6-piston. This came in the F80, F82 carbon ceramics. But this is the same caliper that came on the N2H, which is the M2 version that was always in steel. The red caliper here is from the newer G80, G82, the M3, M4. It also came on F90, M5 as well. The M5 ones are super common. You can find them on eBay almost all the time. They come in blue, they come in red. You can get a bunch of different colors, whatever you're feeling. This one is the Tesla Plaid, so very nice. They're very similar to the Porsche Brembo 6-pistons, so we decided to include that as well. All of this uses the 380mm rotor from the blue caliper BMW F80. It's a very simple caliper. You can get brand new ones for $700, $750. Readily available, a bunch of different aftermarket options if you want Eurodisc or StopTech or whatever. We also have front stainless steel brake lines that are an option for this as well. We also include the shim set. This helps with brake heat dissipation. It also is used because the 380 by 30mm rotor is slightly less thick than the 38mm or the 36mm for the new. So we don't want the pistons to press all the way out. So this provides a dual benefit for that. Let's jump into the install. We're going to be pulling off Jason's AP brakes for this. Alright, so now that you have the stock calipers and everything off, you're going to grab your adapter bracket, and this has two markings on it. This side is for the G80 caliper, left hand up, and then on the other side, you have left hand up for F80 calipers. So it's kind of a 2-in-1, just depending on which way you're going to go, but I try to make it as easy as possible by writing left hand up or down. Let's put it on, and we'll grab a caliper. Mondos. Alright, so it's as easy as that. If you did want to run the stock dust shield, you just have to trim it a little bit. It doesn't take much, you could just use some shears. This big brake kit does require you to run an aftermarket 19-inch wheel, so let's grab your standard Apex. This is like what I would say 99% of customers would run. Fits like a glove. Clears with no issues. Most aftermarket 19s will fit. You'll just get into the issue if you have some like older OEM 19s, they just don't have the brake clearance. Anything that has G80 fitment or F80 fitment for the front will work on this as well. Brackets are going to be live on the website now. If you guys need help sourcing calipers, feel free to reach out to us, DM us, email us. We can always help you source some calipers. Whether you're doing track duty or just canyon carving or just want the visual update, these really look great on any E92.